Oh, good evening mga Lods. I just want to show off this stuff, right? Showing some appreciation to my brother-in-law, Duke, you know. Man, I really appreciate everything. Actually, lahat ng suot ko, that came from Duke, right? Pero this one, the recent one, brand new, you know. This one right here, it's the Bulls or something, man. It's pretty cool. Alam mo naman, it goes a long way. Yan, isa pa yung Adidas, you know. Alam naman natin, mahal yan dito sa Pilipinas. And yeah, talagang minamahal ko lahat ng mga pinapadala nyo sa amin. And I just want to let you know, man, that's much appreciated. Before kasi marami na ito pinadala sila sa amin. But, you know, I wasn't a blogger then, so puro pictures lang. But this time, ito, binablog na natin, suot-suot ko. Throw na natin ng little dance, you know, para naman it makes it look cool. But anyways, much love and respect, OG Duke, man. You know, you haven't forgot about those little soldiers from the block. You know what I mean? We go long way, OG. Yeah, yun. Tignan nyo. Ayan. Original Adidas yan. Mahal yan dito, mga Lods. But yeah, hey, don't get me wrong. You know, I'm just really happy. Yan. Isa yan sa mga pinadala sa akin. Yan lang yung palagi kong sinusot. Brand new yan, man. Man. That thing really looks good. Jordan, you know. But anyways, much love and respect, OG Duke, for everything that you send us. Peace.